हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है केपी एजुकेशनल क्लासेस में। दोस्तों, अर्लियर प्रेजेंटेशन हमने बजट पे देखा था। आज हम लोग कैश फ्लो पे देखते हैं। आइए। कैश फ्लो इज द मंथली प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ इनफ्लोज एंड आउटफ्लोज ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। It predicts future events early enough to take corrective action. The cash flow can predict cash flow gaps when cash outflow exceeds cash inflows. Cash flow management steps can be taken to close the gap, at least narrow down. Cash crunch creators means lockups of money, particularly inventory, receivables, and fixed assets are main lockups of money. Unpredictability of cash inflows and outflows, operational pitfalls, inefficiencies, retention money, delay in projections, ये सब कैश क्रंच क्रिएटर्स है। कैश इनफ्लो assumptions consider payment or recovery of advances, retention money, income tax consider release of withheld uncertified payment, payments of monthly RA bill. Cash outflow assumptions consider withheld uncertified payments, stock levels of major materials. For working out the cash outflow, the following steps are to be followed. Monthly consumption as per workout cost budget. Monthly stock levels to be assessed for balance period. Monthly purchase. Monthly consumption plus closing stock minus opening stock. Monthly creditors to be assessed for balance period. Cash outflow is equal to opening creditors plus purchase minus closing creditors. Cash management techniques process: prompt billing, efficient inventory management, speedy collection of money from clients, collection of material advance from clients, managing the creditors. Efficiency on budget. Cost budget: up to date actual cost to be tie up with the finance accounts, as it is baseline for preparation of budget. Cost booking should be in the line with the actual turnover booked. Impact of stock is to be considered for working out balance material cost requirement. Reconciliation of all major materials with a physical stock to be done. All details of working out cash outflow as per format to be given without fail. Example: creditors level of stock, credit period for major items. Reconciliation of site level profit with a net inflow to be given. Cash flow formats gives the details of total job reconciliation. Financial year reconciliation to be done in a similar line. Details assumption made for release of retention money, recovery of advance, refund of WCT and LD to be enclosed separately. Budgetary control. Development budget. First step: actual and budget. Analyze difference between actual and budget. Take corrective actions if any deficiencies. Modify further plans. This is the budgetary control cycle. Monitoring of budget versus actual. Quantity variation to be analyzed for underbooking, overbooking or wastages. Subcontractor cost variation are to be analyzed similar way. Running cost, any increase to be studied and proper action to be taken for the controlling the cost. Cash flow monitoring is very crucial at this stage with recession. Monitoring of cash flow with budget can be done in following way. cash as per budget, as per actual variation, but actual minus budget, turnover, cash flow inflow, cash outflow, net inflow. This is the format. At any point of time, maximum collection to be targeted. Variation in net flow will highlight the cash flow management of site. Monitoring of uncertified turnover. Overall conclusion of budget and cash flow. Conclusions. Cost estimation and budgeting are part of project planning process. Cost estimation logically follows work breakdown and precedes project budgeting. Cost estimates are necessary to establish realistic budget and to provide standard against actual cost to be measured. They are thus prerequisite for tracking and control and crucial to the financial success of the project. Cost in a project have tendency to escalate beyond the original estimate. The accuracy of estimate can be improved by escalation minimized by defining clear anticipating. Cost schedule are derived from time phase budget and shows pattern of cost expenditures throughout the project. Cost reduction is actually continuous process which should be embedded within the organization. Ideally, expenditures and incomes are balanced so that the company can maintain a positive cash flow.